So Cassidy just asked, how is it? Where'd you put? Oh my God! No! She dropped Bob. No! Ow! Abuse! Abuse! Shut up, child. If anyone's gonna get abused, it's that deer. It's that deer. That deer. That deer. No, it's that fat guy who's really short, who I'm taller than. See, me compared to him. Yeah, ew, is that a muffin? Cassidy? Come here. Is that bread? There? Yeah, it is. What? They just found a black widow. What? Where? Where? Holy, where? Under the dragon. The dragon? The fishes! Do you see it? Is it fresh? No, it's alive. You're gonna make it mad. It's gonna follow us. How do you know it's a black widow? Did you see it? It was all black and